Carson?
Hello.
Where are you?
Hello.
Are you? Here. Where did you go? Where's Carson?
Oh no.
Oh, there he is. There he is.
Go get him. Go get him.
Say, there you are.
Okay. Bye.
Pretty girl. Is she gonna go to sleep?
No, you stay right there. Leave the towel on.
Oh, you are being so good.
Do you see your
You're
hair?
gonna get a snack?
Yeah.
Yes, because you are a good girl, aren't you? Say yes,
Yum,
Mom.
yum. We'll get a snack. Just wait.
Jana, grab her
Have
one
patience.
so she can hold it.
Hold on.
What about this? You don't want, no.
Yeah, I'm afraid if we cut the back. But no, I think that looks good. Sit right there.
I just want you to look and see if you